Hello students, this is Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This video is for students of class 3, subject grammar. Let us read today's thought. It is not joy that makes us grateful, it is gratitude that makes us joyful. So you have to have the attitude of being grateful. You have to say thank you to the people, those who help you. That is the way of showing gratitude, and that way you will feel joyful. Instructions that are to be followed: listen carefully and follow the instructions the very first time. Work hard and try your best. Be polite and show respect. In today's video, we will continue with the revision, and today we are doing the revision of grammar, chapter 14. Degrees of adjectives. I will explain the chapter, what are the different kinds of adjectives. We will solve the textual exercises of the chapter. So let us begin with degrees of adjectives. So chapter number 14, degrees of adjectives. A word or a phrase naming an attribute added to or grammatically related to a noun to modify or describe it. Or an adjective is a word that gives more information about the noun that goes with it, that accompanies it. It is a word which describes what kind of person or thing it is. It adds meaning to the noun and is used generally before the noun. So adjectives, they describe which kind of person, place, animal or thing it is. Adjective mostly is put before the noun, right? Now read the following sentences. Let us read. Riya is a clever girl. He is a rich man. These are sweet apples. She is a beautiful girl. Donna is a good dancer. So in the above sentences, clever, rich, sweet, beautiful and good are the words which describe the people or things. These words are adjectives. We have already learned about kinds of adjectives. Let us just have the quick revision. Adjectives of quality, they describe the quality of a person, place or thing. Rita is a smart girl. So here smart is the adjective which describes Rita. She is an ugly woman. Ugly is an adjective that describes woman. These are called adjectives of quality. Then we had learned adjectives of quantity. They describe the quantity of a noun. Like 4 students are sitting in the classroom. I have enough money to spend. So here 4 students, enough, all these are adjectives. So here you have to ask the question how much or how many. What is the question that you have to ask? How much or how many. You can ask any one of these two questions. When you ask these questions, you will get adjectives of quantity. So the question how many describes the definite number. Like when you ask how many, you will get the exact number. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. When you ask how much, you will get indefinite number, means not sure, much, little, some, enough, all these are indefinite. So how many and how much are used for adjectives of quantity. Then we had learnt about demonstrative adjectives. If you remember, there are words like this, that, these, those. All these are demonstrative adjectives. Let us read the examples. This is a sweet apple. So that is a green band. So that these bands are old. So all these are adjectives which are called demonstrative adjectives. They give the answer to the question which. Which apple? This apple. Which band? That band. So they give the answer for the question which. Then we had learnt interrogative adjectives. What are interrogative adjectives? The adjectives that are used for asking questions are called interrogative adjectives. What is your address? Whose pen is this? Which book belongs to you? So all these are interrogatives. They are used for asking questions. What, which, whose. So I hope you understood. We have revised the kinds of adjectives. Now we will revise the new exercise. This exercise is a general knowledge exercise, and you should write this exercise one time in rough book. So in this exercise we have to write one word. It is like give one word. So I will show you how to do it. So these are the 12 sentences in the exercise, as you can see. Right? In these 12 sentences you have to write 12 adjectives. We will read one by one and write the answers. So number 1 is given, full of faith. You have full faith in that person. So what is that called? It is called faithful. Let's write the spelling. Faithful. Faithful. Full of faith is called faithful. Means you trust that person completely. Number 2, full of power. The person who has authority, who is a powerful person, right? That is called powerful. Let's write the answer. POWER. Then you just have to add FUL. Powerful. Full of power, powerful. After that, number 3, full of wonder. That is surprising, which surprises you, which puts you in wonder. That is called wonderful. Let us write WONDERFUL. 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 Number 4, full of thought. The person who thinks a lot, he has got a lot of thoughts. That is called thoughtful. 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 Number 5, full of shame. The person who feels ashamed, he has done something wrong. So that is called shameful. 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 Full of shame is shameful. Full of care. The person who takes care a lot, or who is very cautious, who does no mistake, that person is called careful person. Let's write it. CAREFUL. Careful. The person who takes care a lot. Careful. Next is full of pain. The person who has got a lot of pain, or the wound is paining, it is called painful. Full of pain. PAINFUL. Painful. After that, number 8, full of beauty. The person who looks very good, or the girl who is full of beauty, is called beautiful. Or the beautiful scenery. BEAUTIFUL. Beautiful. Full of beauty means looking very good. Beautiful. Then full of peace, who is very quiet, who is very relaxed, that is peaceful. At night while sleeping you should be peaceful. PEACEFUL. Peaceful means relaxed, in a very relaxed way. Peaceful. Full of sorrow, who is very upset, who is very sad, that is called Sorrowful means extremely sad. SORROWFUL. Sorrowful. That is full of sadness. Full of hope. Who hopes, who has full hope in his heart, who never loses hope. That is hopeful. Always thinks positive. And we all should be hopeful. We all should be hopeful. And the last one, full of joy, who is very much happy all the time, and we should also all be joyful. 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 So here we complete this exercise till number 12. It was the last one. Now let us see what is the next that we have to learn. We have to learn about degrees of adjectives. See, I will read it. Adjectives can express degrees of modification. For example, Amrita is a rich woman. But Jasmine is richer than Amrita. And Sheena is the richest woman in town. So here what did you see? The three things that I underlined are called degrees of adjectives. What are they called? Degrees of adjectives. How do we know the degrees of adjectives? When we are doing comparison. Rich, richer, richest. So degrees of comparison are known as the positive, comparative and superlative degree. So students, you have to remember these three names now. Which are the three degrees of comparison? Positive, comparative, superlative. The three degrees are the positive degree, the superlative degree and the comparative degree. Positive, comparative and superlative. We use comparative for comparing two things and superlative for comparing three or more things. So this is also important. When do we use comparative? For comparing two things. When do we use superlative? For comparing three or more than three, like 4, 5, 10. And in positive degree there is no comparison. In comparative degree we compare only two things. In superlative degree we compare three or more things. So read the following sentences. Mohan is a tall boy. Sohan is taller than Mohan. Rohan is the tallest boy of the three. So tall, taller, tallest. So in the first sentence, we are not comparing Mohan to anybody. We simply said that Mohan is a tall boy. See, Mohan is a tall boy. Yes, he is. We are not comparing Mohan with anyone. Then in the second sentence, we are comparing Mohan and Sohan. And we are saying which boy is taller. See, in the second sentence we say Sohan is taller than Mohan. So here we are comparing two, Sohan and Mohan, and we say that Sohan is taller. In the third sentence, we are comparing the three boys and we are telling which boy is the tallest. So in the third sentence we say Rohan is the tallest of the three. Of all the three boys, Rohan is the tallest. So here we are comparing all the three. So thus we can say that adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. Which are the 3 degrees of comparison? Tall, positive degree, taller, comparative degree, and tallest, superlative degree. Tall, taller, tallest. Positive, comparative and superlative degree. I hope you understood this table. See, I will show it, the whole table. In first sentence, we are not comparing Mohan with anyone. In second sentence, we are comparing 2 boys. In the third sentence, we are comparing 3 boys. So it is more than 3. So it is called positive, comparative and superlative degree. Tall, taller, tallest. Same way we can say smart, smarter, smartest. Big, bigger, biggest. So for that now we will read the table and understand all the degrees properly. So here is formation of comparative and superlative degrees. See how the degrees are formed. So for comparative degree we add er to the adjectives. For superlative degree we add est. Remember that. For comparative degree we add er. See, everywhere we have to add er. For superlative degree we have to add est everywhere. So these things are to be remembered by all of you. For comparative we add er. For superlative we add est. I will show this to you while we are reading the table. Just note down this thing. For comparative er and for superlative est. Now let us read the table and read some of the adjectives and learn them. Positive, comparative and superlative degree. Big, bigger, biggest. Tall, taller, tallest. Short, shorter, shortest. Large, larger, largest. Old, older, oldest. Brave, braver, bravest. Gentle, gentler, gentlest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Cold, colder, coldest. Fine, finer, finest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Fast, faster, fastest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Dry, drier, driest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Young, younger, youngest. Strong, stronger, strongest. So here we completed reading the table of degrees of adjectives. Now let us see the next two tables. Some adjectives are different. So in some adjectives we need more and most to make comparative and superlative. So in all the adjectives we cannot add er or est. In some adjectives we need to add more and most. These two words we have to add. Let us read positive, comparative and superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. See, in this we are not adding er or est. We are adding more and most. Interesting, more interesting and most interesting. Wonderful, more wonderful and most wonderful. So in this three, as you saw, we added more and most. Now, in some cases, positive, comparative and superlative degrees are totally different. See, they are totally different. Spellings are totally different. We cannot add more and most. We cannot even add er or est. Let us have a look. Positive, comparative and superlative. Good, better, best. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. bad, worse, worst. So these three are very different than all others. Good, better, best, little, less, least, much, more, and most, bad, worse, and worst. So this was the explanation. Now let us move ahead and see the textual exercises. So here is the heading chapter 14, degrees of adjectives. You also have to give the similar heading like I have given, and we will write the answers of the textual exercises. So today we are going to solve exercise number 1. First of all, let us solve exercise number 1. Here it is. Complete the table. We have to complete the table as given. Whatever blank spaces are there, we have to fill up that blank spaces. So be ready with a pencil and your rough book and make the table. Let's read. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Great, greater, dash. So what will be the superlative? We have to add est. Greatest. What is the spelling? GREATEST. Great, greater, and we write greatest. Then these two are blank. Over here it is given fastest. So here we add ER, and here we just write fast. Fast, faster, fastest. Let us write positive degree. FAST. Fast. What is the comparative? We have to add ER. FASTER. Faster. Fast, faster, fastest. Then in the third one, positive and superlative are not given. They have just given comparative, hotter. So here we add EST, hottest, and here we just write hot. 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 So positive we have written, comparative is given, hotter, and superlative will be the hottest. 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 Hot, hotter, and hottest. Then number 4, big. Positive is given, we have to write comparative and superlative. So here we will add ER, but we have to make it double. See, before G, vowel is given, I. So we have to make this last alphabet double. BIGGER, bigger. BIGGER, bigger. Big, bigger, and the biggest. BIGGEST, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Here it is given wider. Wider is given ER. Here we add EST. Just ST we have to add widest, and here we write wide. So first we will write positive degree. WIDE, wide. Comparative is given, wider. And superlative we write widest. Wide, wider, widest. Then number 6, happier is given. So here we add EST, IEST, and here we just write happy. So first of all we will write positive degree, HAPPY, happy. Then we shall write happier, and the last one will be happiest, HAPPIEST, happiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Then it is given lazy. So here we add IER, and here IEST, lazy. Then let us write comparative degree, LAZIER, lazier. And what will be the superlative form? Laziest, LAZIEST, laziest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. In the last it is given lighter. So we add est and here we just write light. Let's write light, light. Here it is given lighter. And the last we write light, lightest. Light, lighter and lightest. So I'll read all one time. Till then you can take screenshot. If you are not written, you can write it. Positive, comparative and superlative. Great, greater, greatest. Fast, faster, fastest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Big, bigger, biggest. Wide, wider, widest. Happy, happier, happiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Light, lighter, lightest. So here we complete our today's video. We completed exercise 1. You have to write it 2 times in rough book. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.